Data lakes offer the possibility to ingest and process huge amounts of data at relatively low cost, and they also scale extremely well. They scale practically linearly, so you can ingest more and more data, you just add hardware to it. Hadoop being the prime example from a technology point of view. And this is extremely important for telco operators in particular, because telecommunications networks, so production factory, if you like, as an industry, produce big data by nature. The amounts of data we're talking about is in the range of many terabytes a day. So if you want to ingest and process that kind of data, doing that with conventional data warehousing or relational database technologies is almost out of the question. It's forbiddingly expensive. So it almost came as a blessing that these technologies were invented, which actually allows telecom operators or the telecom industry in general to process these kind of data volumes, which are tremendously valuable for the industry. We selected Zaloni as our implementation and operations partner for this project based on a couple of criteria which we had defined from the beginning. We were looking for somebody who is really specialized in big data technologies and associated implementation projects, very familiar with the whole Hadoop ecosystem, someone who could come with a very compelling architectural proposal, putting the right Hadoop components out of this huge Hadoop ecosystem or toolbox into play to address the use cases which we had bundled into the project, and was also able to support us afterwards in operating and maintaining the project after it was launched, at least for a certain period of time. In addition, of course, cost was a factor, and Zaloni came out as the clear winner in this exercise. Another part, which was part of the architectural decision, was also that the component Bedrock, which is a proprietary solution sold by Zaloni, is something that in any data lake you need something like this, and this came out as particularly strong, as a strong component actually for the solution we were looking for. When you embark on a big data journey, in particular if you want to set up something in an enterprise production type of way, which was clearly our ambition from the start, you need something that allows you to manage to build data pipelines. I mean, we're talking about the ingestion of several terabytes of data per day, which have to continuously be processed, be managed. You need to manage the underlying metadata, and you have to build these kind of data pipelines in a very robust and reliable way. So you need some sort of a component which takes care of that. It's highly critical, I would say, for any production-like project. And Zaloni is probably at the moment standing out in the industry, I would say, as providing this kind of capability. So you either have to buy it or you have to build it yourself. Our decision in that case was relatively clear that we wanted to buy a solution which basically takes care of this. And that was another strong point of the overall Zaloni value proposition for us, that this component was actually available, Bedrock, and so far also has delivered.